Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install Malcare, which is a firewall and security plugin. It's a premium plugin, so you will need to have a paid plan in order to activate the plugin. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so the first step that we want to do is create an account on Malcare. So what you want to do is sign up. Okay, and then you can just log in with Google or just use your email. So I just connect with Google. Okay, so I already have sites connected to my account here, but for you it should be blank if you haven't used any BlogVault products before. Okay, so what we want to do is first go into your WordPress admin and we're going to install Malcare. So you want to go here into plugins and add new and then search Malcare to start so you can install now. Okay, and then activate. Okay, and then you can just add in your email that you signed up with. Okay, and if you're logged in, it should redirect you to the dashboard now. Okay, and then it should be connected like so. But if your site is not connected yet, then you can go here into sites and then add site here. And then you can add the site. Okay, so back here in the WordPress dashboard, you can just copy your URLs, but make sure you just copy the domain name and not any of the slashes. So you don't want to include, say, -admin. And then you would paste that here and continue. And again, since this is already added, this won't work. So I'll just create another one here. I'll just create a demo one. Okay, and then you would select a plan. So right now I'm using the free version, but you can check out the other ones they have here and select the one appropriate for your business. So I'll just proceed with the free plan. Okay, so once you select a plan, now I'll sync the website. So it'll look like this. Okay, so you just give it some time. There's a little countdown notifier here, give you an idea. Okay, and then these are just some premium features that you can have a look at. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to sync and I'll come back to the video. Okay, great. So the sync is successful. So we can view the site overview now. And again, if you want to upgrade the plan, you can do that here. So we'll just see what's available in the free plan for now. So go to visit site overview. Okay, so what we have available here in the free version is you're able to update your software here, so the plugins and the themes. Okay, great. So we just need to upgrade our plan in order to access the latest features here. So you can check out which one of these plans is right for your business. So again, you can just start off with the Plus plan as it already has the malware scan and instant malware removal, as well as the firewall, which is your essential features. As you just move up, you'll just get more scans per day, as we see here, and more backups. Okay, and then the benefit of paying for Malcare is you actually get a support representative. So in case your website gets hacked, you'll have an expert that can help support you. Okay, and if we can check, and then if I check on their homepage here, if you see their banner here, have you been hacked, you can click get help now. Okay, and then if you're on a paid subscription, you'll be able to have access to their support team. And again, if you're interested in upgrading to more sites, then they have discounted rates for multiple websites here if you're an agency or have multiple businesses. So this concludes the end of the tutorial. I hope it was informal in making your decision on why Malcare is a good security plugin for your WordPress website. You can click the link in the description to get more details on pricing. And if you're looking for help with any web development projects, you can contact me at mapletmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.